Hi, it's Mindy from Time to Unwind, and this is just a quick little stop in. Darn Good Yarns Yarn of the Month box arrived, and so I thought I'd open it real quick with you. And it's just little, but we'll show it to you anyway. Let us start with the little booklet, because let's do things backwards for a change. And so this is a sport weight linen yarn. It's in Cadet Blue, which is a pretty shade, and it's showing up pretty much like it looks, maybe a little lighter. And it is 175 yards for 50 grams, 2-ply yarn, and hand wash. And I'm not even going to try to read those numbers. I'm going to open it up here real quick. Yeah. And being linen, you know, you're not going to expect softness, but smooth, shiny is nice. It's pretty. And it is fine. So, and washing instructions are hand wash. No doubt lay flat to dry. This yarn is manufactured in India. Okay? So, and for the little gift they always stick in, this month it's a keychain tassel, which is about a 3-layer one from the looks of it. And I can open this up, maybe. I don't think I can open it up. Or maybe we'll just look at the 3 layers through this. Okay. So what are the patterns that they're suggesting for, or the pattern that they're suggesting for Yarn Club's exclusive? They have something new called the Stitch, and it's a new site that they have with knit-alongs and things. They have a listing of Yarn Club's exclusives, which, of course, the shipping rate, the dashboard, that you can take a break if you don't want a box that month, customer service, the online community, and now the Stitch, which has patterns and knit-alongs and crochet-alongs and instructional videos and more. And this yarn was handmade in Bhagalpur, India. And a lot of homes in that region do not have electricity or running water, so they've been able to provide enough solar lights for the one village. And so those are kind of nice. They show a picture of people getting the bags ready. And they're showing a linen lunch bucket as their knitting pattern. Lunch bag. And a linen crossbody bag as the crochet pattern. Kind of like the crochet bag better, but they're both very basic. Anybody could make them. And yeah, so that's that. And that's only not even 5 minutes, so maybe I'll show you what I'm doing too. I've got two things here in progress, and this doesn't look like much yet, but it's going to be an Afghan, and it's going to be one of those, you used to see them a few years back, and I never made one then, but it's one of those ones where it looks like you've got a pile of Afghans. And so for a while, I'll just go around and around in a granny square, and then later on, I'll show it to you again probably when I start doing the next level. And I'll just come out from each side and do triangles. And then I'll come out from each of the new sides and do triangles until it looks like I've got a stack of Afghans. And I don't know about colors. If anybody has any ideas, I started with gray. I'm going to this is for a wedding gift, so when I get a hold of my sister-in-law and find out if she knows anything about their colors, we'll see what some of the other layers of Afghans will be. And then I'm working on my Hat Not Hate, my first blue hat, which I tore out a significant amount of. I started from the bottom, and so now I'm putting it back in, and it's a leaf pattern, but it really looks cool if you reverse it. It can be reversible. And so I think I'll make it without a pom-pom so it's reversible. And I'll show you that as it progresses as well. So, in fact, once I'm done with that, I might show you the pattern I'm using. So, that's all for today, and I'll see you later. Just remember to hit the button for like, hit the bell to get notifications, and if you haven't subscribed, remember to subscribe. See ya!